international table tennis player. He has won US Open Butterfly Carry Cup, which was held in 2018 in Morrisville in North Carolina, and he won medals in the Oman International Open tournament also in Muscat. And he's a three-time state championship of Andhra Pradesh, and he has 12 All India medals, and he has nearly almost 600 prizes and trophies in his cupboard right now. So,
Okay.
how
Hmm.
did you get to know about table tennis?
When I was 6, I have started the table tennis. Actually, my father and my big brother and all are table tennis players. So Sharif Kamal's father is working on that time in income tax, and another Murli, their uncle, also working in customs. So we have started table tennis at the age of 6.
Okay, cool.
Mhm.
So then, what made you start table tennis?
Actually, when I was 6, I used to play normal games. My father wants us to play table tennis. So he wants us to settle in government jobs. So we have started table tennis.
Okay, cool, great.
Uh,
And before getting to your success story, let me ask
okay.
you. No interview asks you this question, but I'll ask you. So, what
Okay.
was your failure story before getting success?
I have started at the age of 6, and I failed at the age of 9. I have lost in state ranking tournaments in semi-finals.
Okay,
My father advised me, and he told me that if I won state number 1 only, that only he will continue us to play. So I have played first state ranking in the year 1994, and I lost in semi-finals. Again, I have stopped the table tennis, and again I have played in 1997. On that tournament, I have won the state number 1 state championship tournament at Vijayawada.
great.
So,
Then, how did you feel that success after leaving table tennis and getting back to the game?
mm. Actually, it was a special moment, really, because on that day they have published it in the English newspaper and as well in Telugu newspapers also. I felt very proud on that particular moment.
Okay,
Mm.
great. Then, why did you choose table tennis as a career than any other education side or any other field?
Actually, our Rachenta families, all the members are in table tennis only. We are more than 10 persons are working in central governments right now from Rachenta's family. From
Great.
last 30 years, we are in this field only.
Oh, great. So, are you going to continue the legacy, or
Yeah,
will
I
you
will
go ahead and back that
continue.
sport?
Now
Yeah.
also, I am playing regularly table tennis. Recently, I have turned into mountaineer also.
Great, great.
Uh,
I have read the news that you have an
mm,
international record for
yeah,
hoisting
I have
22 into
climbed.
33 meters
I
in
have
the
climbed
Kilimanjaro.
Kilimanjaro. Yeah, I have climbed Kilimanjaro in the March 2020-21, and I have hosted biggest Indian flag in the top summit.
Great, great. It's a
Uh,
wonderful
I
to be
got four world records for that.
great. Congratulations for that.
Thank you.
And
Thank
we have an every interview
you.
or anything has an talk show has an random fire. So we
Okay.
have something called sorry,
Mm.
rapid fire. We have something called
Okay.
random fire. So I'll be
Okay.
asking
Okay.
questions randomly. I
Okay.
don't know what to ask. It
Okay.
just goes on.
Okay. Sure.
Uh, TT or mountaineering?
Both. Yeah, TT only. Actually, I have settled down from TT background only.
Great. So what was the first TT bat you played with?
I played with GK first in the 2094, 95, and 96 also. I used to play with GK. Later, I have bought in Stiga, Lezenply, and Mark IV Abbas.
Great. So, where is Tanzania?
Tanzania? I didn't
Yeah.
get you. Mm-hmm.
Where is Tanzania?
Yeah,
Where it is
Tanzania.
located?
Yeah, it is located in Africa continent. Tanzania itself is a country, and the mountain name is Kilimanjaro.
Good. Great information.
Mhm.
So, what is capital of Assam?
Assam, Dispur.
It's correct. Dog or cat?
Dog.
Sharat Kamal or Imabol?
Sharat Kamal, always.
Great, great. And any experience in table tennis you want to share to the
Mhm.
viewers? Any inspiring stories?
Mhm.
So let's-
Actually, in the 2001, I have beaten India number 2 player and India number 5 player. And on that particular time, actually, we don't have money to play the national ranking tournaments and all. We have struggled a lot to play the state championships even. So we struggled a lot to play table tennis. And finally, I got job in 2010. So if you play with the pure heart, you will get job and all. So we have to dream for every time.
Okay, great. Thank you, Umesh, for your wonderful knowledge you have given to us, and thank you for taking out this precious time in your busy schedule and giving us an interview. Thank
You're
you so
welcome.
much.
And one more thing, I have bought all my equipments in Decathlon Sports only for my mountaineering.
Great.
Thanks
you
to
so much.
Decathlon also. Actually, I have started on March 18 from here. I bought all the equipments in March 17 at Decathlon Hyderabad. So
Great.
thanks to Decathlon, I got all the equipments from there.
Thank you so much. And how was the equipment?
Yeah, it's really good. Actually, I have planned to climb Mount Elbrus in June 6th, but unfortunately, the second wave came and it is postponed. So I am using these equipments for Mount Elbrus also.
It's great to hear that.
Mm.
Thank you so much to be there. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.